Good day, everyone. I am Juliana. Environmental effects resulting from humans. Did you ever wonder how the world began? From the vast oceans, long mountain ranges, and the beautiful scenery inland. Here are some examples of causes and effects inland.
Han, you have to find some firewood because we don't have firewood left.
Well, we have gas stove.
No, you have to find some firewoods now!
I'm too tired, I'm lazy.
Now!
Okay, huh?
Illegal logging. Illegal logging, also known as unlawful logging, refers to the harvesting and trading of timber in violation of national and international laws or regulations. Let's go to the canteen, buy some snacks. Okay, sure, come on.
Littering is the act of carelessly discarding waste, especially trash, in public areas. Human activities have a profound and multifaceted impact on the Earth's land surface, leading to a range of environmental effects that threatens the planet's ecosystems and biodiversity. Addressing these challenges requires a collective effort from individuals, communities, governments, and businesses to promote sustainable practices, conserve resources, and mitigate the negative impacts of human activities in the land.